Hello friends, welcome to exercise 3.2 problem 5. Here our question is half the perimeter of a rectangular triangle whose length is 4 meter more than the width is 36 meter. So we need to find the dimensions of the garden. So here our first statement is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. You need to really understand this question. First, our statement is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. You can skip this comma. This statement is the second statement is 36 meter. So where whatever with the perimeter, its half is equals to 36 meter. This is our first statement. Our second is length is 4 meter more than its width. So this is our second statement. Length is 4 meter more than its width. Now if you have understood this, then you have nearly cracked the question. So we will solve it. Let the length of the garden be L and the width be B. So our perimeter is nothing but 2 times length plus breadth or width, so 2 times L plus B. Now our second statement is length is 4 meter more than the width. So our length L is 4 more than the width. So it will be 4 plus W. Now our second statement is half the perimeter is 36 meter. So the formula for perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth. It is 2 times L plus B. So its half will be just L plus B. So half of the perimeter is L plus B. So the value of L plus B is 36. So now you have two equations. First is L equals to 4 plus B and second is L plus B equals to 36. So our two equations are L minus B equals to 4. This is because L was B plus 4. So we wrote L minus B equals to 4. The second is L plus B equals to 36. So this is our first equation, this is our second equation. Now we need to plot those two equations to get the final answer. So first we will consider the points here. So L minus B is equals to 4. So our L is B plus 4. So let us take B equals to 4. So the value of L is B plus 4, which is 8. Now let us take B equals to 8. So the value of B plus 4 is 8 plus 4, that is 12. So these are our 2 points for the equation L minus B equals to 4. Now let us take L plus B equals to 36. So let us take, so our L is nothing but 36 minus B. So let our B be 4. So L will be 36 minus 4, that is 32. Now let us take B equals to 8. So 36 minus 8 will be 28. Now you are seeing here that I am taking all the multiples of 4. It is because it will be easier to plot those points. So this is our graph paper. This is our B axis. This is our L axis. You can have the axis other than X and Y. X and Y are just notations. So you can have L and B, X and Y, U and B, etc. So our first points are 4, 8 and 8, 12 for the equation L minus B equals to 4. So our first point is 4, 8. So here our one unit is 4. So the units are so every distance will be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 up to here, and we have plotted here till 40. Similarly our y also for one unit we are assuming 4. So it is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 up to 36. Now our first point is 4, 8. So for x equals to 4, the value of y is 8. So this is our first point. Our second point is 8, 12. So for x equals to 8, y is 12. So this is 8, 12. So now joining these 2 points, you can draw a line. So this is the line. This line is L minus B equals to 4. This white line here is L minus B equals to 4. Now our second points are 4 comma 32 and 8 comma 28 for the line L plus B equals to 36. So for x equals to 4, y is 32. So x equals to 4, y is 32. So this is our first point. Now our second point is 8 comma 28. So for x equals to 8, value of y is 28. Since this is here 28, so this is the y. So for x equals to 8, we go up. This is 28. So this is the point. Now you can join these 2 points and you will get this line here. So this line is L plus B equals to 36. Now we see that both of them intersect at this point. So this point is, when you go down here, it is 16. So B value is 16, and when you go this side, left hand side, it is 20. So L is 20. So our final answer is L equals to 20 and B equals to 16. So that is all in this lecture. Thank you for watching.